it's your girl Laina Kagan. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And as you can see by the title, I am doing a slit throat tutorial, makeup tutorial for Halloween. And oh my god, this is my first time doing this and I just made it look like I got beat up. I think I did pretty good. So yes, y'all just go ahead and make sure you watch the video. Subscribe to the channel again. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see anything else. I know it's so close to Halloween right now, but yeah, so I used some fake stage blood. Can't see it now, but I put it in the video. I got it from Party City. It was like $5.99 or $4.99. I got some liquid latex. I put it in the video as well. And this was the same, like $4.99 or $5.99. And I got some of this. It's some cream makeup that I got. And that's what I use to like blend in everything and like to put on my face and make it look like I done been through it. I done been in an argument and some stuff done went down. Used my lip gloss. Well, that's my lipstick, and this for it as well, and you will see that in the video. So stay tuned so you guys can see how I did this.
Sophie, get the raw, I can you sleeps.